Guys, showing you this Dlgjpa men's lightweight quick drying aqua water shoes. These are athletic sports walking shoes with the water resistance and the water play or the water sports shoes. So let me just open this and show you. So this one is a breathable design. As you can see it here is a mesh on the top. So there's a breathable, and the air can go, water can go out. So this is a waterproof sole below here as well, so the water can just come out, so you will not feel that wetty stuff like if you go in the water. So mainly these are the water shoes to play in the water sports and then play. So let me just wear it and see. So wearing is pretty nice, and straightforward is a slip-on design. You can adjust the tightness from this lace. So the both sides looks really nice on the feet, and the nice design and the breathable design as well. As you can see in the close-up, that it fits really well from the corners and from the sides. And you can adjust the laces based on your requirement. So that's how. And pretty much these are all the waterproof design, and you can wear it on a beach sports or any other water shoe or the other play that you want to do. So this is the side and the back. So looks really nice. So it is just like a water shoe, but still it looks like more professional shoes, and you can also wear for walking. So it's a fun with the jeans as well you can use. And yep, it's pretty much looks really nice like while walking. Breathable for the water, for aqua sports, for anything, any purpose, anywhere you can wear these lightweight shoes. Easy to carry, just pack in a bag and let's go.